Welcome to the NewsRamp Awards podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at NewsRamp.com. It's Thursday evening, June 5th, 2025, and we have a lineup of awards headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline. 12 Moore and Van Allen practices, 39 attorneys earn top rankings in esteemed Chambers USA legal guide. Moore and Van Allen PLLC, MVA, announced that Chambers and Partners ranked the firm as a national leader in banking and finance and financial services regulation, banking compliance. Edward P. O'Keefe and Neil T. Bloomfield were recognized as national leaders in financial services regulation, banking compliance. In total, 12 MVA practices and 39 attorneys earned rankings in the 2025 Chambers USA Legal Guide. Managing partner Thomas L. Mitchell expressed pride in the firm's high-quality service. MVA was recognized in various practice areas in North Carolina, Charlotte, and South Carolina. Chambers highlighted several MVA attorneys as leading lawyers in their fields. Chambers is known for its detailed rankings of legal professionals and operates across 200 jurisdictions. For more information, visit the Chambers website.
LNA and 5 partners recognized for patent practice in 2025. IAM Patent 1000, the world's leading patent professionals, Lando Anastasi, LLP, LNA, has been ranked among the world's leading patent professionals in the 2025 IAM Patent 1000. The publication praised LNA for their client service and exceptional rigor in patent law. LNA is one of the few firms recognized for excellence in all 3 patent practice areas: transactions, prosecution, and litigation. Additionally, 5 firm partners were named for their outstanding patent practices. John N. Anastasi, Peter C. Lando, Keith F. No, Craig R. Smith, and Thomas M. Sullivan were all recognized for their expertise in various aspects of patent law. IAM Patent 1000 is a trusted source for IP news and analysis, selecting only those with exceptional skill sets and insights into patent matters. LNA partners with clients to protect their innovations through sophisticated IP strategies across various industries. Chambers USA 2025 highly ranks Potter Anderson, including 24 attorneys and 6 practice areas among best in Delaware. Potter Anderson Corroon is pleased to announce that the 2025 edition of Chambers USA, America's leading lawyers for business, ranked 24 Potter Anderson attorneys as practice area leaders in Delaware. Among those attorneys, Joy A. Barrist, Jennifer Gimler Brady, David E. Moore, Mark A. Morton, Matthew J. O'Toole, Kevin R. Shannon, Michael B. Toomas, and Peter J. Walsh Jr. were ranked in the highest Band 1 tier. In addition, Chambers USA ranked 6 Potter Anderson practices in Delaware, including Chancery, Corporate M&A and Alternative Entities, and Labor and Employment, which were included in Band 1. The firm's other ranked practices are bankruptcy restructuring, intellectual property, and real estate. Chambers USA is an industry-leading directory that highlights the top lawyers and law firms across the United States, read by major companies and organizations worldwide.
Transworld Business Advisors recognizes franchise growth and leadership at annual national conference. Transworld Business Advisors recently honored its top-performing franchisees at the 2025 annual conference in Orlando, Florida. The Hall of Fame inductees included Michael Shea, Thomas R. Milana, Gary Goldwasser, Bill Kleinschrott, Bob and Caroline Kelleher, Johann Sharp-Sermania, and Tony and Jarma Khoury. CEO Andy Cagnetta praised their hard work and leadership, setting the standard for excellence. Johann Sharp-Sermania also received the President's Award for her consistent sales growth and contributions. Other awards recognized Arthur Warsoff as Mentor of the Year, J.T. Harp as Rookie of the Year, Cynthia Randall and Brent Beyer for Most Improved, and Matt Friscia and Ryan and Jennifer Armstrong for Team Player Awards. The conference offered educational workshops and networking opportunities to help franchisees grow their businesses and serve clients effectively.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Awards podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.